Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'll be taking you on this Mbaise Road, Douglas. So guys, this is Mbaise Road, Douglas. So guys, let's take a 3 minutes walk to the Mbaise Road roundabout at Douglas Road. So guys, this is the road that lead from Douglas to Mbaise Road. So guys, I'll be going to the roundabout at the upper side when you are coming from St. Paul's. So if you are coming from Amajeke, you reach St. Paul's, then you also be going up. So guys, we'll be going up and see how this place now look like. If you notice something, everywhere now is clean and there is no fighting and nobody bringing their business on the road again, because the task force, I can see that they are doing a lot of work. Here is the Mbaise roundabout. If you used to hear about the Mbaise roundabout at Douglas Road, so here is the Mbaise roundabout. So now I'm going down from here to Douglas. So I'm going down to Douglas St. Paul's side. This is it. If you can remember, before, you will see people bringing their showcase market outside this road, causing hold up, causing fights. So now everywhere is easy to pass. Everywhere is now clean. So guys, I took this walk, from down there Douglas to up here. So now I'm going down to Douglas side. So this is the road that lead from Douglas to Mbaise Junction, Mbaise roundabout, Owerri. This is Owerri. This is the road that lead from Douglas to Mbaise roundabout, like you are going to Amawasa side. So guys, I took this 3 minutes walk to make this video and bring to you and show you if you are not in Imo State. So this is how this side looks like now. We are going down to Douglas side. We are going down to Douglas. So thank you guys for watching. If it's your first time to see my channel, make sure you do like, subscribe. This is Douglas. This is Douglas. You see, there's no showcase outside. Before, all those guys that used to work food, all of them are outside here. People selling market are outside here. I hope really try by bringing this rule that nobody should bring their business outside on the road. Guys, please share this video. Guys, please like. See you in my next video. Next, I will show you how Douglas Road look like. I will also show you the full roundabout of that Mbaise junction. Thank you guys, and please make sure you do like and subscribe.